What is up, Detector Nation? It's Joey again, man. Let me tell you something. I'm ready to go dig, man. I want to go. I want to go hunt. I want to go find me some treasures. I want to go find me some of them gold rings that I see all these other channels are doing right now. But I have one big problem. I'm ready to go, but I have one huge problem here in Las Vegas right now. Man, we are in a severe drought. I'm talking about drought, like the city's gonna dry up. Yeah, man. Take a look at this. Dude, that's 115 out there. Yeah, dude. I'm not feeling it. I mean, I'm not trying to pass out there in the field somewhere. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna have to put that on hold for the moment. But I do have one thing that I wanted to give you guys that's an update. And the update is, man, my Simplex took a dump on me, man. My reliable Nokta Makro Simplex. So I contacted Nokta Makro and they told me to, actually they sent me to a dealer, and I just got this weird, I've never even heard of this dealer before, asked me to go and take my Nokta and swing it over some targets, because my problem is the external speaker stopped working. The headphones are fine, but the external, I just started ground balancing it and just kaput, boom, it just quit. So I did everything I could, man. Disconnected, unplugged the coil, reset it, did everything, man. Nothing. So I contacted Nokta Makro, and Nokta Makro sent me to a company called We Dig out of Missouri. Is that an official repair center? I mean, is that where you guys send your stuff to get it repaired if it's in warranty, but it's out of like your dealer warranty, you know, the 30 days, whatever? Well, anyways, I went ahead and contacted these guys, and it looks like that's their site right now. Take a look at this. That's what they say. So Nokta Makro sent me to this dude Andy O'Neill in Missouri, whatever, and it says right there Nokta Makro repairs. So I went over here and took a look at this, and this is I guess that's their channel. I mean, they are a dealer, but I don't know, dude. I've never heard of them before now. And to think that a company as big as Nokta Makro, I guess they just use this company right here, We Dig, to do their repairs. I don't know if that makes any sense to you. But they told me to, after I showed them that it didn't work, they told me to take the head unit off the stock, which is pretty simple. I guess it just goes in here like this, and there's one bolt right back here that pops out, and the whole thing just, I have the screw right in here so I don't lose the damn thing, and the whole thing comes out. And that's funny, man, because there is no battery down there. I thought that the battery stayed down inside here, but nope. If you take a look inside here at the bottom, there's a little vibration motor, just like what's in your cell phone. So that vibration motor is what actually vibrates the handle, and I guess the battery is located up in this thing. But yeah, man, the speaker just went out on this thing right here, and I got to send it in to these guys. But strangely enough, you know, I mean, they didn't ask for an RMA number or nothing like that. They were just like, hey man, wave your coil across an object and show me that it doesn't beep, which I did. And then I sent the video to them, and they just sent me, they said, okay, we'll just go ahead and pop your head unit off and send it in to us, and we'll take a look at it. So I guess that's what I'm going to be doing, is sending the damn thing in. But does that make sense to you guys? I mean, have you guys used We Dig? Is that something that you guys do when your Nokta Makro product is under warranty and it needs to go in for service? If it is, then cool. I'm just going to go ahead and take my chances then, I guess, because what other choices do I have? I don't want to just hunt exclusively with headphones. And when I do vlogs, I want you guys to hear what I'm hearing when I'm actually detecting. So I guess I got to get it fixed. But anyways, guys, like I said, I would love to go out there and do some detection action. But when that's what I'm facing, I just can't do it. But anyways, guys, as soon as I can get a little cool down, I'll get out there and try to find more things, and I'll bring you along with me. So anyways, that's all I have for you guys. I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.